why I love to count flowers. Because flowers make me sneeze. And now, after I count the flowers, I can count sneezes.
One.
One sneeze. Two sneezes. Three sneezes. Four sneezes. Five sneezes. Six sneezes.
7.